Looking for ways to maximize your customer service? Wanted to ensure your customers are happy? Want to provide valuable experience to customer as possible by tracking of customer information, communications, and interactions. Manage customers, employees, projects with PATRON CRM. A suite of market researched features for all your organization needs. In manufacturing, trading, or service business, PATRON CRM fits all business organizations. A customized dashboard holds all your business data. PATRON CRM modules are sales management, inventory management, purchases management, accounts management, human resource management, report section.
Exceptional dashboard of client handling. The other modules comprise of commission, sales achievement, sales analytics, target versus sales, and inventory management by serial number.
The other key packages are location-wise sales management and growth report analysis. PATRON benefits are campaign and marketing management with automation, sales data analytics with report generation.
Other key prospects are leads management, contact management, sales automation, and sales forecasting. Our service benefits sort customer, invoicing, and employee financing.
Manage project access on an employee level. We help your team automate customer management process.
Well reputation in providing after-sales service in the industry. Kickstart your journey today with us. For more details, call us at +8801 8483 46301. Thanks for watching this video. Skylark Soft Limited. Subscribe, like, comment, save, and visit our website.